Hello everyone, I'm Roman Storm. I'm one of the developers behind the open source privacy project called Tornado Cash. Back in 2019, I was a very inspired Ethereum developer, driven by the idea of solving privacy on the Ethereum blockchain. That's why we created Tornado Cash. Our team's goal was simple but critical: to help ordinary people gain true on-chain privacy. And the only reason I can continue fighting for privacy and for open source developers is because of all of you. So many people have supported me emotionally, financially, and politically. Your support keeps me going and helps keep privacy alive. It's crucial that we stay united, support each other, and collaborate whenever possible. I wish I could be there in person with all of you to help work on other important issues in crypto. But I need to be here, fighting, to ensure none of you face the same challenges I am. Thank you all for being part of this community and for your support. If you're interested to learn more about my case, you can visit freeromanstorm.com. Thank you.